Hello guys and good morning from Istanbul. So I'm going to be showing you guys what Menemen is. Menemen? Not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Anyhow, it's delicious. It's traditional Turkish dish. It has eggs, some tomato sauce, or tomatoes, green peppers. Honestly, I'm not very sure, but I've had it here several times before. Good morning. How are you?
How are you?
This is the chef. I'm gonna have menemen again.
Yeah?
Yes. Can I film you making it?
Yeah, he's making it.
Oh, very cool. Okay, I'm gonna film. Thank you. Teşekkürler.
I love it.
Cool. So yeah. Merhaba. Okay, yeah. I just wanted to show them the menu. And so we have many options, but to be honest, every time I get I'm not even a huge fan of eggs, but it's really good. Really good here. Oh, hello. I just wanted to see. Okay, can I film this?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. So we got
Cooking.
peppers. Yeah, what's cooking back here?
Which one did you?
Oh yes.
Orange?
Yes. So I have a pretty standard order here apparently.
Oh, it's great.
Yes. Delicious. So yeah, this is just a nice little spot, very close to Galata Tower. I'll step outside and show you guys that. It's out here. Yeah, so check it out. Oh guys, I need breakfast. Teşekkürler. I'm hearing the cakes and stuff.
Yes.
Tomatoes, peppers. Is that olive oil? I think so. Smells like it. And then eggs. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna sit down. So, spicy peppers. They're not going in there, but I love spicy. Nice. Okay. Oh, he's going for the eggs. Yeah, it's delicious. Oh. Yes, sir.
Çırpıyorsun. Blend. Best.
Nice. Teşekkürler. All right, I'm gonna sit down, get out of this poor man's hair so he can do his job. Okay. Menemen. Yes. So I've been here a few times. It's nice, super close, convenient, and delicious. And here's some other things on their menu.
Günaydın abi. Hoş geldiniz.
Oh, that looks good. Garlic sauce, lamb wrap. How much is Menemen? I forgot. Okay. 50 Turkish lira. Not bad. What is that in the US? I'll write it in. Maybe like $3? Less than 3? I'll look it up now. Let's see. 50. I think the juice is like 20 or something. Yeah, ooh, up to 88. So there you go.
Morning.
Yes.
Yes, welcome. How are you? Yes.
Exactly.
Menemen, shakshuka, hot, 3 minutes, table.
Shakshuka, like in Egypt.
Menemen, no,
Menemen, like-
Arabic shakshuka.
Oh, see, I was about to say that to you guys.
Yeah, shakshuka.
Very similar to the Egyptian shashuka or the Arabic shashuka. So yeah, I've been discovering a lot of food in Turkey. It has a lot of resemblances to Egypt's food. Kofta, they have kunafa. Maybe the pronunciation's a bit different. Very small differences in key ingredients, I'm quite sure. So, you know, Egypt's shawarma is here like a kebab or doner kebab. There's many different types of kebabs, but very similar. Menemen shashuka. God, there's quite a few that are not coming to mind at the moment, but yeah, good food though, because I loved Egypt's food and Turkey's doing it just as good, so. Alright, hopefully it comes soon, because I am in need of sustenance. I've yet to have toast, but these toasties have been calling my name for a while. Doesn't that look good? Cheese toast. Basically just a grilled cheese, eh? They have some meat in some of them. Anyways, you see them all over the place and they're pretty cheap. And I could definitely go for that. Alright, let's wait for the food to arrive. And it's arrived. Oh, I'm so ready to eat this. Check it out. And they serve it with bread, so you can just soak it all up. And man, I'm not a huge fan of eggs, but this is a very good way to just eat eggs. It has nothing on the omelet. So yes, I already know it's good, but let's eat some of this. It's hot. What a great invention. Yep. Delicious.
Good.
Oh yeah. Teşekkürler. Yeah, very satisfied, as always. So my third or fourth time here.
Yeah, always here.
Hey, don't expose me too much.
Here, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good spot. It's really close by, and I get the same thing every time. I need to branch out, but so Menemen.
Breakfast?
Very much worth it, guys. So if you find yourself in Istanbul, you're near Galata Tower, you saw the place. I butchered the pronunciations in Turkey because I don't speak Turkish, but Starbuf or whatever it's called is amazing. And definitely try Menemen wherever you are in Turkey. So Alright guys, I'm gonna devour this now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.